Sunrise Boss Production.
So we're saying fully clean up. You just need to cut up and
yeah, I clean him.
no, yeah. Yardman style.
No man, don't play the fucking game.
3 for 50.
The 45 you gave you 3.
Oh yeah, me run a YouTube channel. Jamaican Sunrise.
Yeah. Up and running.
Yeah man, up and running. Yes. Fire light.
Bomba flat! Yo! I say, hey! It got damn it house, you know! Yo! Powerhouse!
Baby, I want juice. I don't want with them. Somebody really want a juice.
Yeah, you know, make it to the in a real life. Yeah, one day I look some conch, make some soup.
You get snarl. Come back.
Conch. How a lobster go?
3 for 50.
3 for 50.
The 45 you gave you 3.
Oh, you say one active.
Yeah, that's how I see you come back.
Ah, yeah, man, I forward. I saw I go on a press.
Spill it. You're a pressure.
I want to back with it.
Oh yeah, me run a YouTube channel, Jamaican Sunrise TV.
But Jamaicans being yeah?
No,
As soon as you go on,
They come.
the next day.
Yeah.
You see, you be on yeah. I say,
Yeah,
yeah,
man.
Come live here, man. I put game 4.
Eat it. It's scary. Come spilly boy, good for your back. Make your cocky whoop boy. Yeah, boy, go for it. Yeah, man. Yeah, cuz. Full of work.
Yeah, man.
Live on the work.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, man, I real life man, come active man.
Yeah, man. We have come down Bahamas. Don't know that. We walk down here too, man, do some more turning. God, put them together for me.
Yeah, I do it right now.
Yeah, you know some of the fishing back here now, babes. Walk a buy some conch, because you know I want to boil some soup. Some conch, you see, pre. Yeah, man.
Yeah, come.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm cool here, brother. Look at that. Say lobster. Make a slide young.
Oh,
Style that. Yeah, man. Live.
so yeah, some have to forward for real lobster then.
Yeah, man. See ya. Snap up. Crawfish again, you know.
Yo, peeps, I guess I'm have to go forward to buy some lobster for deal with some lobster. You see what I'm going to do with
Yeah,
the
man.
conch.
Alright.
You know, die fishing harbor. But some son I walk out.
Gregory,
Bless, active. Yeah, man. Fully active. Yeah, man. Only for conch and only for the live thing. Yeah, man. So you know, so today I just go boil some conch soup and grill some chicken under the tree out at the front of me, chill out. So just stay tuned for that, like up the video, share, comment, subscribe. Look on that big house thing. Play a piece, look on it. Look at that. Big and broad, no blow out. Stinning grouper. Big and broad. Yeah man, so I just grab up the conch them and then we go back up and grab up the other ingredients them at the supermarket, like some pumpkin and carrot and them thing there. And boil some soup, so stay tuned. Sunrise Boss in our kitchen today. Some conch soup. Yardman style. Yeah. So we're saying fully clean up. You just need to cut up and
Yeah, I clean him.
oh, yeah. Yeah man, so see it. We clean it up so then I know cut up and boil some soup. Yardman style.
No man, don't play the fucking table,
Yeah,
man.
man. Not really like. Yep. Yeah, man, $15 out. And it's a $15 out account. Yes. In a real life. Yes, the boss are cleaning out there.
I'm gonna let someone change it. Ako kung tulas na ako man. Wala.
Yeah, man, that thing. The boss are cleaning out.
I may know what's going on, but don't say anything. I will put me on down those way. Wow.
Yeah, bird. How are the name for them, Jenna? Jenna.
Huh?
Yeah, how are the name for them?
Seagulls.
Sea eagle?
Yeah, seagull.
Seagull.
Just like sea eagle, but seagull.
Yeah. Sea beats. Active. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm?
Live there.
I showed her support, man. There's nothing between me and him. Well, I ain't gonna be rude, but you know, because I work with tourism, man. So it is what it is, man. There's two snakes, man. Today's my birthday, man. Like, could you buy me like all of this talking I'm doing to you?
Listen, you sure what if those snakes try to choke you?
See, no, you can't. That kind of conversation, I can't answer you on that. So if they choke me, but I can't. No, for free, man. Come on, man. That shit ain't gonna be for free. Today's my birthday, man. I'm like,
Yeah.
come on.
Well, you get
want some information like you did, right?
Yeah.
Let me show you something, man. And see, this is the way I do it. When you gonna like do a tip or something, right? See it? Can you give like what y'all call that shit?
Hmm?
Like you can take a picture with him.
Oh, well.
Call it? I don't know.
Yeah, it's good.
Selfie. So see what I'm saying to you?
Yeah, man, you good with it taking a picture. Me take your picture. Yeah, man, in Jamaica we don't like snakes. Yeah, man.
You know Greg. You know the next snake, man. Greg.
Who passed away?
Yeah, 140.
Yeah, everybody
Yeah.
was thinking that was me. That's why I really doing this too, to show them no, that's Junior. I'm senior, man. Yeah, I'm senior. He was Junior.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, putting these punts and shit.
Yeah.
I went for his funeral so I can show people that. And when they get on real road, that's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
Before one of these in my pants too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, easy. You robbed the bank, man.
I'm gonna have a big showdown today. Today's my birthday for real though.
Yeah, but go on.
Yeah, for real
saying.
today.
Yeah,
And I'm gonna have myself a fucking
But,
ball of a good time today.
yeah, man.
It is what it is.
Yeah, but snake.
Yeah, I'm gonna rub one of these down my damn pants.
Damn it, nigga.
Damn it, nigga.
Aye.
Yeah, man.
Fair, you know?
People see me give me all the snake to take a selfie, but me don't like snake. So me not take the selfie. Yeah, man. So, you know what thing go in a real life. Just see a man a pass through with a snake around him. Made two snake man have to, you know. No, sir. No, why you? Thanks. No, why you? Yeah, get 2 bag of coal. Buy $5 bag. So I buy 2 bag.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, them I can't deal with that, we are dealing with people. So you know, so we are go out here now, we line up to start the cooking. So stay tuned for that, subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend. Everything active.
Active and live.
Yeah man, make you in the supermarket you know. Pick up some things to boil some soup. Yeah man, I want some chicken to grill. Then look so. It kinda look small dollar. Can cut them up fine, put in a Then I look sick. I should have them on that in a fridge, you know, them cold. Look whole no blood clammers. I want good old rosemary. How much do they sell rosemary? Strawberry. Yeah. Sweet price. One of them are there, sir. Look what they are, sir. You see what time price they over there, sir. Good pepper. Yeah, well, this is good. Chicken. Yeah man, more over here. I don't know if them sell all of chicken, but more see chicken leg, me see chicken wing. You know what I mean? Chicken hip. So I'm gonna get a hip and leg. Yeah man, get some hip and leg and jerk them. So stay tuned for that. We get the scale here and I'm get the time already. I want some yam, I want noodle. So I just go through and finish pick up them stuff there. I don't pick up already for cash. You make you see what one lime 73 cents. I want 73 cents. I want some of them too. I want at least 3 of them. I have ripe one there too. So just subscribe to the channel. But there I pick up some stuff. Then cocoa there. The cocoa there don't look too active. I saw one lady further up the road who sell vegetable on the roadside, and I stop there and see if I can get some yam and something because I don't see no yam and nothing like them there. Yeah. Yes, pre. So I see to find me noodle. And then when I done pick up, when I pick up, I make you see what time it is. Over there, I'm going to have pigs, Grace. I'll check if there are no more noodle. Caribbean Dream, country style season, is it? Chicken noodle, soup mix. And a bag is yeah, you're good. Yeah, get little something. Oh. Yeah, man. Alright, me get little stuff. Me not get everything when I want, cause then I have everything. You see, pre? Yeah, peeps, I don't know, say, me not get everything I want now the Cotton Tree supermarket. So me I go further up road and me sit there on the roadside where them sell like yam and them something down pumpkin. I stop there and see how much them I sell them for. But right across from the Cotton Tree supermarket, you know me hear some nice Jamaican music I play. So when me forward cross, you know it says I yard the cross, so I sell some real Jamaican CD. So you need to check him out in a real life.
Yeah, man. A shower ranks, man. I there, man. You don't know. On the block of the Father God works, you know. And the calling I get from that time till now, and all I use them out, they just focus and believe in the dream and believe in what I do. Because nothing can stop me, because Father God with us. Just keep doing the works, put in good works, good contents, and just ask Father God guide you and don't left him out second, make him come first place. That's how we are going to prosper in at least 24 and beyond. To the world, Shabba ranking, man, DVD, sales, CD and everything good, man. Sunrise, #1.
Yeah, man, in a real life, man. Yeah, man, say if you're in the Bahamas, just make it be right, a Cotton Tree supermarket, right? Food store, you can't go wrong. Just forward over here, so you see Shabba ranks, you get some nice CD, yardman style. And keep you up to date. All of the CD, they will drop a yard, you have them, so you need to check them out. Yeah, man, the latest. Yeah. One Love, you see it? Yeah, man. Fully active, man. Yeah, man. So just make sure you come get your CD, peeps, in a real life.
Encouragement and take free of cost, you know.
Free of cost.
You don't know.
Yeah, man.
Baller, man. I mean, Sunrise, #1 chef.
In the town. Yeah, man. That's true, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, in every move. Yeah, man, God always with me, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, God always with me, man.
That's why you can do what you do. When you feel 24, you're going to be sell off.
Yeah, man. In a real life, man. Yeah, man. Bust deep. Yeah, man. In a real life. Yeah, I reach a stop. How much a pound for the pumpkin? Good evening, good afternoon. Huh? 3? Yeah, how much a pound?
I don't sell by.
Fudge.
What you want? You want cold one?
No, I just have a boil a little soup for myself. So
Get what you want, baby.
yeah, that's right. Something like. Alright, let's see. Oh. Alright. This is the pumpkin. Get pizza, yam. Don't make you know a price. Cocoa. And some cocoa. What else may I get? What else may I get? What else may I get? A bag of the pepper. Then I want a bag of the pepper. Took up on one Irish. Okay, this is it. Can I get a bag of pepper? That one? Yeah. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to cash now. I'll make you know how much is the price. With the yam?
Pumpkin.
Yeah.
36.
36. So you said good?
I don't know. I'm not inside of the pumpkin. It's 25, $5 and 37.
$37 peeps in a real life.
Thank you.
Okay.
You come back for pumpkin?
Oh yeah, well if I don't get any pumpkin nowhere, I have to.
Alright.
But I don't need a whole one.
Okay, you have to.
Yeah. So yes, there's okay. They say they don't sell pumpkin by pound, them sell it walla. Me go to the supermarket, me ask for flour, them say them don't sell it under £5. So I think me need a pumpkin, some flour and carrot. Your cooking will cost me $100 US. That's the least still, but me just say it. Because I spend $37 there, so. Blood clam was, yeah, I spend $37 here, so. For the conch, I spend $15. So put this that at $50. Done there, so. Where the blood clam was this? Down there, so I pay now what? $40 a while ago. No, I pay $25 down there so a while ago. I'm gonna buy the coal for $10. Yo, all if I spending me I do. I'm gonna buy the chicken yet in a real life, but just stay tuned. I just go and do some spending and just make Kijana full joy himself in a real life. You see, pre? So just subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend for tell a friend. Everything active, you see?
Yes, Steven. No.
No, it's me. Respect. May I say all our silver them are run away.
Up and running.
Yeah man, up and running. Yeah man. Yes.
Fire light.
Fire light.
Full cups on,
Yeah man. In a real life.
Fully active there upon
Fully active. No say. I just want to put on the soup in a real life. Yeah man. And over here so I want to put on the chicken. So we cool them wet, now we catch up the fire big, and then by the time fire out, you know say we cool them we catch up. So stay tuned, everything active. Yes sir. The chicken is seasoned up already. Yeah man. Ready for grill. Yeah. Fully active. In a real life. Yeah man, got a big old tree root in our Bahamas in a real life. You big still, you know?
Yeah. Fully active.
Fully active. Alright. This is it.
Dragon.
Got plenty bread, boy.
Yeah, we fire ketchup.
Some man do one
Some
soon again.
chicken.
Fucking dad.
Over here, so. Some soup. Yes. In a real life. Use up this here now. Yes, fully active, you know. You know, so I just go out there and chill with me. Virgin them to them besides, say. I cook some food. Yeah man, boil some conch soup. And jerk 2 pieces of chicken. Yardman style, sunrise bar style. Yes, and you don't know, you have to mix it with the Bahamas style. The Bahamas say conch. So that's why I jerk the chicken while me I go and boil a little conch soup in a real life. So I'm just there right now, I dice up the conch to how small me want it. And then I put it in my pot and the pumpkin to go and boil. And then after I throw the rest of stuff them in a soup pot. Yeah man. There I cut it up man. Good old conch soup. Yeah man, I'm right at the big tree in a cookie, you know. The man see tree a big monster. Yeah man, so. So make you see what I go and feed jerk chicken, because I put on chicken already in a pan. So make you see that, I just there. I go and line up the soup pot. And then after I can make you see what I go and feed chicken.
Yeah, you don't beat it?
Huh?
You don't beat the conch?
Beat it?
Yeah.
No. Any beat it, and the fire gonna beat it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we usually beat them, you know.
No. No way in Jamaica. We not gonna say don't have
We
people
take the yard man Saturday.
Yeah man. Fire cook anything, you know.
Easy.
Yeah man. So peeps, we just there go and line up to put some things in a soup pot. So
Run in.
whenever I'm done, make you see what I go and look here.
Up and running.
Whole heap of them I cut up. And then look fine leaf where you see no worry yourself at time.
Time
them.
now.
Yeah, them is time. So no worry yourself and I say I leave. No, clean food to deal with. Them here some time you see. So I season up all the conch while I cut it up. In a real life.
In a real life.
Yeah man. Alright, first like you see something on it.
Yeah, real life, you know, real life.
I ain't told the boy no. Me him like that you.
Hey.
Yeah man.
What you feel?
Yeah man.
Don't know in a real life.
Look on the jerk pan out and smoke. Look there. Chicken a jerk, you know? Chicken a jerk. You see the jerk pan and smoke some people.
Right, don't put it up.
Chicken in life.
If you come up on him.
Go and keep on show you what go on.
Chicken and go on here. Live here.
Smoke,
Smoke, man. See it?
Yeah man.
Don't know, man.
In a
real life.
Yeah, man, jerk on the grill there.
Yeah, man, real life that, you see it?
Yeah man, I'm over here so. We are putting the conch them in a pot here now.
Hey, boy, I'm looking to see what's through the view, boy.
Don't know, go make it cook here now. Then we can line up and put in the yam and dumpling and other things in it. But the conch and the pumpkin are going to go and cook.
Yeah.
So you just do the right thing. Subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend, Sunrise Boss, fully active in the Bahamas, in a real life.
The old bitch. Never. You don't ride a bike in this. What's that doing,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah man, see the peeps? In a real life, me not left it out. Yeah man.
Original, Bahamian brew.
Yeah man.
Natural.
Natural. I love it. Oh, let me light them flight now. Yeah man, see? Yardman style.
Boom.
Yes. If it is hot, it will go pop.
Pop.
You see the peeps?
Oh,
just like that.
you got one up here?
That's for him. I ain't getting that.
Yeah,
The best. They have many different flavors, but the mango are the best.
Power.
Hold on.
Watch now.
Full effect, man. Full effect. Live and direct. Don't know. Live and block. See it? Fresh from Jamaica, Bahamas. There. Full effect, yeah. Yeah, man. What go on? Food to cook. Fire for bun. See it? What go on, you?
That go on. Grill chicken. Think of chattings. Yeah man, this is just a start. Smelling good.
Live and direct. Before you start, you know.
Yeah, man.
Live food.
Cover him back.
Yeah.
Get the smoker come to the top and so that to show you say chicken and grill.
Bun, fire bun.
In a real life.
In a real life.
Yeah, man.
That no. Kalandi,
Fully active.
Fully active. Very fully active.
Yeah, man.
Fire bun. Fire. Yeah, man, record this.
And them you know. Them I can show one side over there, you know. Pumpkin them.
Ready?
Yeah, man, show
Ready?
me.
Let it go for you.
Right, so see that peeps? How
Put it on the ground.
We
Like,
leave off the
right
plant. Oh, see it? But see that sunrise bars come at Bahamas a plant.
Cool. Yeah, man. Pumpkin.
Leave a
Live
mark.
direct.
Leave a mark.
Yeah, man. So far, you see pumpkin in a park. You know, say a sunrise bars production in a real life. You see it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, right for the vast empire. Pumpkin we plant. Father God love them things there. That's why you know me go.
David House.
David House, man. Yes, dog.
Yeah, man.
Active, fully active. David House, see it?
Yeah, man.
Live and direct from block, see it?
Yes,
David House. Foxel. Well done. Real life and a real life. On the man here, you're sizzling here.
Yeah, man, me there now.
Yeah, brethren, them there. On the man there.
Yeah,
man. The call is your city, man. Where your fire burn. Smoke a go on here.
Yeah, man.
Real life.
Yeah, real
So we do
life.
with your culture lifestyle, you know that? Yeah, man.
Fully active, man.
Fully
The
active.
outside.
See the cotton tree here? See it? See the cotton tree here? Slave days, dog, you know that? In a real life, that's how we live here. Jungle thing that. See it? We are in a jungle. Cook food in the jungle, see it? Just like Jamaica with you. Caribbean boy, you know. Live and direct. See the pot here? Super cook here. See a boil. Yeah, man, a real life that. See it? Yeah, man. Get it set up now, you know. Some soup, good soup that. In a real life.
Powerhouse.
Powerhouse. David House.
So yam and the pork are for you.
That's normal around here.
Not normal around here,
What's
man.
up?
Not normal around here, man. In a real life, conch,
Real life.
you know, so we have conch, we have pumpkin, we have yam,
Breadfruit.
we have banana, we have breadfruit, also we have yam and
Oh, yeah.
cocoa. So you know what that means.
Easy now. Power,
man.
power,
Yeah,
power,
man.
power.
Hey, my life,
A
man.
big man thing there.
Yeah, man. Fully active, man.
Fully active.
In a real life. Yeah, man.
Fire gets.
Hey.
Smoke some
man,
marijuana on the road and hey, we all run, hey, we all run and go allow us from the Bahamas. Hey, come one time, we from Foxtel. Hey,
Jamaican Foxtel, link up, you know.
Foxtel Village, you know.
Live on a wreck, you know.
Hey, they get us up and running, boy.
On the big tree, huh?
Under the big tree.
Powerhouse.
David House, you know.
David House. Wherever. Hey, David House, wherever. We smoking marijuana all day. And the man who brought with us, hey, turn up.
Up to the time, you know. Blessings remain.
Up to the
Psalm
time.
91, Psalm 23, you know. David House, you know what I'm saying? Next day you're full of fake, you know.
Yeah,
Very, you know.
that.
Understand that too, you're a country boy, and that's how you.
Bigger,
Full of fake, you know.
Yeah,
Spice leaf here,
man,
coming live,
leaf.
pan road.
Yeah, man.
Don't know. See
Yeah,
it?
all the time.
That's
All
be the most I got.
the most I got.
Natural thing.
Jeff Town for life. All the
Natural
time.
thing.
My lord.
Some
real life.
Real life. We
Real life
smoke the
that.
whole, we smoke the marijuana forever and
thank you,
ever.
the boss.
And thank God for life.
Loyalty.
Real life. With the guys.
Hold up.
Yes, so I go on and now. Them set they done in a peeps. I think of chattings. Yeah man, they are grilling chicken. And then two you left. We grill. Yeah man. So I chop we are gonna chop up chicken and now.
It's alright.
Want the white up.
Yeah.
They even dread in the dam.
Yeah man.
And the dam sauce. Season.
Yeah. Yeah man.
Not a more often thing, you know.
Yeah man.
Not a more often
Cut
thing.
them off. Ring out this stuff for me.
I want a piece of everything.
Piece of everything. I think of chattings.
Which one's my good water?
Yeah, you want right there, so I ring to know.
This was the rest of water.
Yeah.
You see here?
Yeah. Yes. Chop up them here now.
You need the time, right? You need this, right?
Yeah, you can just rest them down. Yeah, man. Chop up them chicken here now and put them in the pan there. And then over here, so the soup. Soup done boil and ready for share. Yeah man, fully active man. Think of chattings. Yes I. Fully active in a peeps. Yeah man, chop up the chicken so everybody can get a bite.
Yes, now.
Yeah man, no we not chopper. So I just use what I have. Yeah man.
Very well active.
Fully active.
What do you think,
Yeah man.
That no man, fully active, you know. They with us, you know. Live and direct.
Yeah man.
Man, cook up food and done. They want to eat, have them peace, and they with us. God is good. Psalm 91, Psalm 23.
27.
They walk through the water, shall definitely will.
27 too. I know 27.
Bless them, man. Be the most high God. Yeah, man. Bless them, you know. Yeah, man.
God.
Far right. Selassie, man, you will I. Rastafari. They with us. When come over here, man, you all jump over here. Get them beat up. Very corner. You all jump up. One man stand there. Full active, man.
Yeah man.
That's why I can't make cousin. Where you going, do your thing. Yeah, man, don't know. Put food up. Yeah? No blood there.
No blood there.
No blood there.
So chicken well done.
Oh, damn, well done there. Yeah, Barry. Barry out. The plug, look out. Good food. Yo, come on, peace now. What is now?
I know come on.
One cloud, yo.
Well done.
Well done, man. My lord. It's good. Very good, eh? Your boy good.
Yeah man, fully active.
10 now.
Peeps.
Full effect. Oh, active. Good active, man. That soup now, that soup there.
No.
What's it now? What's it now? Live. Video that. Come here.
Live.
Live, yeah.
Proper thing.
Yeah, proper thing that. Kung soup. Kung soup. What?
Natural. Natural for the body, you know. Natural for the body.
Natural thing.
Proper thing.
Wait, record us, wait.
We got yam, we got pumpkin, we got conch.
Oh yeah.
The wigs. Corn.
Yeah man,
Callaloo.
everything in there from the everything in there from the earth.
Everything natural.
Yeah man.
No, we don't up and running.
What we grow.
Yeah man.
Oh yeah.
What we grow.
Oh yeah.
That's what we
berry.
eat.
Yeah, no berry. Kung soup.
Kung soup.
Natural.
Natural.
Yo, kung soup that. Understand that.
Powerhouse.
Powerhouse. David House.
In the David House.
Oh yeah.
Yeah man.
Hey, but smell
Bodybuilder.
Oh yeah.
Baby maker.
Hey, but it's spicy, right?
Hey, worldwide.
Hey, what's the spicy?
Worldwide. Worldwide.
Up and running.
Worldwide. Up and running.
Respect the
Worldwide.
German general.
Up and running. Worldwide. Worldwide. Up and running.
Hey, Barry, what's the spicy, man?
Alright, watch your name, man. Taste it. You jam me when you taste it.
What taste it, Barry? Hot, hot. Oh, buckland. Yo.
I say, hey.
Hey, it good?
David House, you know.
Yeah.
Powerhouse. But then the back by the car. I say, all you need, nothing else.
What?
Nothing else.
Live on the
I
record.
said, all you need, you know.
My leg man.
Nothing else.
My finger. Eat that.
Yeah, man, sharing time.
Wait, hey. Wait. I want juice. I want, but somebody want early want juice.
Ready for first time.